In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect a WordPress website to a database step by step using a real hosting dashboard setup. This is perfect if you're setting up a new WordPress site, fixing a database connection issue, or just want to understand how WordPress connects to your database behind the scenes in 2025 and beyond. We'll go slowly, explain what each step does, and by the end of this video, your WordPress site will be properly connected and working. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your hosting provider dashboard. In this example, I'm using the Pantheon dashboard, but the idea is very similar for most managed WordPress hosts. Once you're inside your dashboard, locate your WordPress site and open the environment you're working on, usually the dev environment if you're still setting things up. This is where you'll find all the connection details for your site. Next, look for an option called Connection Info. This section is extremely important because it contains your database credentials, including the database name, username, password, host, and port. Click on Connection Info and make sure you're viewing it specifically for the dev environment. These credentials are what WordPress uses to communicate with the database, so keep this page open or copy the details somewhere safe for the next steps. Now that you have your database connection details, it's time to head into the WordPress admin area. From the dashboard links, click through to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then click Add New. We're going to use a file management plugin to safely edit the WordPress configuration file without needing FTP access. In the plugin search bar, search for WP File Manager. Install the plugin and activate it. Once it's activated, you'll see WP File Manager appear in your WordPress admin menu. Click on it to open the File Manager interface. This tool allows you to view and edit core WordPress files directly from your browser. Inside WP File Manager, locate the root directory of your WordPress installation. Look for a file called wp-config.php. This file controls how WordPress connects to the database. Right-click on wp-config.php or use the Edit option to open it. Inside this file, you'll see database configuration fields like db name, db user, db password, and db host. Now carefully replace these values with the database details you copied earlier from the connection info section in your hosting dashboard. Make sure everything matches exactly, including capitalization and symbols, especially the database password. Once you've updated the details, save the file. This step officially connects your WordPress site to the database. After saving the file, close WP File Manager and open your website in a new browser tab. If everything was configured correctly, your WordPress site should load normally without any database connection errors. This confirms that your WordPress website is now successfully connected to the database. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect a WordPress website to a database step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, website fixes, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.